welcome back. Live visuals now for match number 30 of the Maharashtra Premier League. PBG Kolhapur Tuskers taking on the Raigad Royals. And these are wonderful visuals. The rain has stopped. पाऊस थांबलेला आहे आणि खेळाची सुरुवात होणार आहे. The revised conditions. It's going to be a 9 overs match. The first 3 overs is the power play. The Kolhapur Tuskers bring the toss, deciding to bowl first. We'll have a look at the playing 11 of both those teams. PBG Kolhapur Tuskers, Aniket Porwal, Des Tripathi, Sachin Das, Siddharth Matre, Shrikant Munde. Talk of the Raigad Royals, Siddesh Veer, Vaibhav Agam comes in, Mehul Patel, Naushad Sheikh, the captain.
But Siddesh Veer has been outstanding in this Maharashtra Premier League this year.
Mehul Patel, a change in the batting order today by the Raigad Royals because that's the need of the hour now. To start proceedings, it's going to be Nihal Tusamad. He's picked up 9 wickets so far this season. Patel encounter, 9-over match this. Nihal Tusamad to Siddesh Veer. First up, yes. Welcome to the crease. Takes the outside edge and gone. Mehul Patel was sent up there.
बैट फुट पे ये बैट जो घुमाई ऐसा लगा कि स्क्वायर लेग की दिशा में आने की कोशिश थी. ये बड़ी विकेट अभी तो सामद ने लेके दी है. मेहुल पटेल कोई रन नहीं बनाए पहले में वापस 3 पर 1.
And we have the last match, this one of the league stage, and we are still in search of the other two teams in the top 4. Naushad Sheikh realized.
शॉट अच्छा टाइमिंग के साथ स्क्वायर कट. बेहतरीन बाउंड्री 2 चौके आए.
And there we go on the leg side again, 4 runs. So Naushad Sheikh, a hat-trick of boundaries. Maybe just looking to make a few more changes in the field for Umar Shah. As Kiran sir mentioned, he's playing his second game. Not a lot of experience of playing in the Maharashtra Premier League, that is.
ये हवा में गेंद बिल्कुल यहाँ पर चौका मिलेगा थर्ड मैन पर. टॉप एज ये बड़ी
Clean bowled. Siddesh Veer coming down the track.
और आगे आके पूरा घूम गए. कोई बैलेंस नहीं था, कुछ नहीं था. बढ़िया गेंदबाजी. आप बोल्ड हो गए बिल्कुल. सिद्धेश वीर ने 1 रन बनाए 22 पर 2.
Has he connected that well? Yes, he has. The over ends with 9 runs at the end of the pop. Started leading the side. He's bowled. That's a big wicket. Shreyas Savaman tonight. Naushad Sheikh.
Yep. Watch the wet ball skid through. Big gap. Yes. Young man. Skipper Naushad Sheikh departs. Got 23 of just 9 delivery. Is
Jinga for Maharashtra, and the first ball over the side screen. What a welcome this is.
out playing a game as well.
In the gap will be and Rishabh Rathod. Off the inside edge will be lucky runs, and 4 of them. And also we have seen in the 20 overs game, it's a 9 overs. Oh, what is he doing? It'll be close here. Just not looking his way. Run. And yes, he will be shot. He will be shot. That's a big Tuskers, because they have broken a partnership. Has to walk back out for 19. 55 for 4.
Oh, huge appeal has been given out. Trapped right.
And uses a lot of these slower deliveries. This was in a leg spin action. Couldn't pick it. Caught right in front. No problem for the umpire. They sends back Agam for 1. 58 for 5. Mindset क्या होगा?
खेल दिया इस बार. सीधे फील्डर के पास.
It's a must. That was very well judged. Not easy, but judged it brilliantly. Rathod gone for 10, now 60 for 6.
He was equal to the task. Shot his delivery, pulls that one, and over the square leg for a 6. Chips that one. Will get a 6 or 4. What do you think, Pati? Yes, it's a 6. Again this time, behind square. Will get a boundary. Full toss, and this time, once again, will get a boundary. Again this time, there's a fielder. No. No one, once again hitting the...
Oh, again a full toss. Pius Salve was suspended this time. Shot. It's high up in the air. Oh, has he touched the skirting?
Straight down the ground. Just a bit of change in pace. He got height, but Hillock was right there. This time, oh, he gets a boundary there. Short third man fielder is just a spectator. As the ball. Oh, it's up, up, up. There's a fielder coming in from deep mid wicket. Yes, very well taken. Once again, Sachin Das.
Nihal to Samad would be happy getting that wicket. What a catch. Well judged catch. You can take that kind of catches only when you're in the game, when you're concentrating all the time and ready for them. Well done, boy.
Yes, fantastic effort all round. Raigad Royals will be happy that they came back strongly. On the other hand, PBG Kolhapur Tuskers have a chase on the hand. They need to chase down Hunt back. That's the thing. Siddesh Veer, Mehul Patel fell early. Naushad Sheikh and the former skipper Vishant More tried their luck. A bit of a collect up 3. Umar Shah went for plenty. Shreyas Sawan hold a tight spell. 1 for 11. 110 they need to make in 54 deliveries. We'll see on the other side.
This season, the best of 94, strike rate of 140.6, and he's doing exactly that in this season. 292 runs for him at a strike rate of almost 200 in the 8th match. Kadam, he's picked up 8 wickets at an equal margin of 25 or more to have a better net run rate than the Chhatrapati Sambhaji Kings. But PBG Kolhapur Tuskers makes room for himself and connects sweetly. That's Rahul. Again making room for himself. Is it fine enough? Yes, it is. There's a deep back in the slot, straight over, mid off, over long off as well. He will be in the top 2. Nicely placed now by Ankit Bhavne.
और तैयार थे इस दिशा में मारने के लिए. बेहतरीन खेलते हैं पुल शॉट और फाइन लेग की दिशा में. चौका ऑन द फ्रंट फुट पर.
Comes down the track, up in the air, the fielder at mid-on is interested. It's gone by.
बड़ा झटका पीबीजी कोल्हापुर टस्कर के लिए. अंकित बावने प्रोफाइल रन गेटर 8 रन करके पेविलियन में 23 पर 1. वो आनी बहुत जरूरत है. ओहो ये हटके मिडविक.
Oh, that's huge! Huge and long again. Again doing some similar stuff. This time gets the inside edge. Luck favors the brave and this.
Vicky Ostwal comes into ball and in the gap, that target of 110. Here he has to walk back.
It's also about winning with the margin of minimum 25. Wet ball, you're better off looking to play to build on his innings as well. I think Porwal goes for 2, 47 for 2.
Dongre connects and connects well. Power down the leg side. It is big. It is high.
Every single one of them have just flown away from the middle of the bat. He's got a great piece of willow in his hands, make no mistake about it. Well.
Man. Outside edge. just puts bat to ball, will get a boundary, and a half century for Rahul Tripathi of just 19 balls. Captain showing the team how the job is to be done.
Yeah,
Has hit it hard, will get another boundary.
Not his delivery, played that one over covers. 6! What a start to the over! What a way to start, Paji.
This team is on a high already.
Sigh of relief. Yes, up in the air, straight as an arrow. 6! The Raigad Royals are knocked out. Ball of the previous over, Vicky Ostwal. Straight down the ground. What a shot.
He's been timing it brilliantly from the first game. And the biggest plus is he doesn't need much time to settle down. Oh, what a hit! This is not an easy shot. Dongre, this
A chase. Again, what a shot! Over covers, but there's a fielder there. Sweeper. And he's fallen there. Rushabh Rathod.
couldn't do it. As we said earlier, that's the longer part of the ground. It's 76, 77 meters. But you're right. Chandresh has done his job. 25 of 12 deliveries. 100.
Sachai Sangvi comes in. Oh, clean ball! Do we have a twist in the tail here, Paji?
Finished the game, Rahul Tripathi. Lower delivery. Mighty heave. Completely beaten. But he has done a wonderful job. 64 of 26.
7 runs needed by PBG Kolhapur Tuskers.
Of the final over. Up in the air. Fielder there. Gone! This is how he's got out. He wanted to play it over extra cover. Took the outside edge. No mistake there by the fielder. And thus, one failed once again. 107 for 5 with 1 ball to go.
Delivery here. Misses that one. And Raigad Royals have won this contest. Yes, there's a run out as well at the non-strikers end. What a final over. Fantastic final over by Tanay Sangvi. What a turnaround by Raigad Royals in this contest. Hats off Tanay Sangvi to win this contest for his captain. Rahul Tripathi will be kicking himself.
Yes, and ENT have got lucky. They will be playing the first qualifier tomorrow. 10 points on the board, but they don't qualify. They don't.
By just 2 runs. What a chase we